To check your color-to-color registration, press the menu button. Arrow down to Maintenance, then press OK. Press OK at Quality Maintenance, Color Registration, and Auto Adjust. If you are having issues with your color-to-color registration, follow these steps. Hold the up and down arrows for 5 seconds, then press OK. Arrow down once to Engine, and then press OK. Arrow right to To Drum, and then press OK. Arrow right 18 times to 2.111 Post Music, then press OK. Arrow right to 2.111.003 Mode C, then press OK. Then press the Execute button. If the registration issue continues, complete steps 1 through 4. Then arrow to 2.111.001 Mode A, then press OK. Then press the Execute button.